In this video, brought to you by Trashbots, you will learn about the calculator activity. For this activity, you will use Python to turn your Trashbot into a 4-function calculator for single-digit numbers. Step 1. Gather materials. Gather a computer, a Trashbot, and a micro USB. Step 2. Code. Code a program that increments the number or operator on screen when button A is pressed, and submits when button B is pressed. In order, the screen should ask for the first number, the operator, and then the second number. The digit should loop once it goes over 9. Step 3. Test. Test your code. Does it work as expected? What happens when you divide a number by 0? Step 4. Refine. Try to identify the bugs, if any, that are preventing your code from working. Brainstorm and code methods to fix them. Step 5. Test again. With your new code, run the same test as you did in Step 3 and evaluate. What happened to your program? Did you expect the changes that you're observing? Step 6. Reflect. What challenges did you face in this activity, and how did you overcome them? Is there any part of your code that you believe could be more efficient? For more projects, visit trashbots.co/lessons.